Hi, thanks for watching my video about the Curriculum Explained. In my project proposal, I said I was going to work on the program Canvas, which my goals are pretty simple here. I want students to have a place to access information. This is what our district is using now, and some of the applications are pretty cool as far as posting assignments, doing assessments, and even having a plan for implementing and doing grades directly from the program. So here is my dashboard here for Canvas, and what I've been working on here first of all is making sure I've got all my courses laid out. And one of the goals I had was that students would be able to access information and would be able to take practice tests and get some remediation. So right here, we are in the middle of algebra here. I have learned how to make practice tests, and of course I've spent a lot of time making tests already, and so how to incorporate them into the program without reinventing a wheel. So one of the things here I'm doing is going through, I have not made the module for chapter 6. I'll show you that here in a minute. But what I can do is I can add some assignments. So I can come up here and I can add some assignments, which has been fun to learn how to do that. There's a lot of different ways to do it. One way I can add assignments I found out is, let's say I want to show a video. That could be one assignment that I've added. So we are working right now in writing standard equations. So if I could find a video that I like, here's one that I actually like, this Math Help guy. If I steal the URL up here at the top and come in here and I can actually make a little hyperlink, I do have to give it a name first. So I could call this writing equations in standard form. And then I can actually make a little link to that, or a video link to that, and paste in this a link to the YouTube video, kind of like we do here. I can actually give it a point value if I want. Every time they log into it, I can give it some points, like maybe I want them to actually get 5 points, and it displays those points. I can count it towards their grade. So if they just watch it, it kind of records that they've actually watched it. I can assign it to everyone, put a due date in here. So maybe I'd like it done by the end of this week. Pretty slick. And then of course I can save and publish, or I can just save. I went ahead and hit save and publish so that when kids come and take this assignment, it'll actually automatically record it into their grade program. So basically the key curriculum I'm looking at now is just learning the program to make sure that I know all the parts of it. What I'm finding challenging is just all the different ways that I can embed assignments into Canvas, and then I get confused sometimes on whether it's published or not published. So this one's published, and then I'm still working to see how I know that students have actually completed the different modules. So we're actually unveiling it this week. We're going to do module 5. So with my algebra group here, we are going to be working in module 5, writing linear equations. I've only got a few assignments up for this. I've been kind of working ahead on some other ones, but basically they're going to come in and take this practice test I've created. They're going to watch a video, and I'm going to make sure that all those points get recorded. Lots of cool functions here, but this is kind of where I'm at. And again, the challenge is learning a really encompassing program, how it connects with 2 other programs from Google Docs, as well as how it connects to my grading program called Q. Not quite sure if I'm going to use the calendar or not, but I've been learning how that can work because I've kind of got my own website. But just trying to figure out what parts of this I want to use and what other parts I want to hang on to from existing structures I already have. So that's kind of what I'm working on. It's a lot, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.